Hi guys, today we'll be opening all our chests. And you can see we have 58 free spins. I have saved this up for like, I don't know.
Hi.
Kian's crazy. I don't know, like more than 2 months.
How can Sparks need some?
And Kian is going very crazy.
Anyway,
So, without further ado, you get right into the video.
Yeah, but we don't have.
Okay, hi guys, we're back.
Yep, and we only have 10 gems. And
I'm pretty noob, but today we will be opening the rest of our chest.
Yeah, even
Okay,
this.
stop, Kian. Stop.
This is the best.
Okay, Kian, you hold the camera.
Okay. You know I don't know how I can just.
No, you can't see.
Already. Then I can go the other way.
Turn it like that, lah. Okay, Kian, hold it. Okay, hold it. So, give us thumbs up if you guys think we will get good stuff. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. You saw my first video that I'm raising funds for my very sick doggy. Okay, Kian, hold.
56 people like our lobby.
No, 96. Okay.
Yeah, 96.
Okay, like for the first chest.
Yeah.
Stop moving.
Okay. Then we got 2 unicorn pieces. And we'll see you back in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
You don't like the ball line. Okay. Guys, I'm back and Kian has reached quitted and left. Okay.
I don't.
I'm going to open another chest. Let's go. Okay, I got gems. How many do you think I got? 10. Wow. Amazing. Let's open a third one. Oh, yeah, great. We got magic room. How many pieces? 2. Great. Now we're gonna open another chest.
I'm all the things.
Oh, we got free primary upgrade. I'll be giving that away.
Yeah. Subscribe and we'll comment down and
Don't test me, okay? No, we're recording.
and we'll comment down and we'll say who will get that free primary upgrade.
Oh,
Okay.
we got revolver
Bye.
sniper rifle.
I mean, wait, no, we're not buying. Okay.
I've been saving this up for almost
Steal.
half a year.
A free sniper upgrade.
We'll be giving
Also,
that away.
Yeah.
Whatever upgrades we will
Yeah.
be giving
2.
away.
We are gonna give away 2 of them. Whoever
No,
wants.
look guys, we got superhero cape.
Yeah.
And our camera just fell.
Yeah.
One piece.
And our name is.
They know Labu.
The name is Kian.
Oh my god.
Hey.
We got 5 coins.
I think we should just show
So-
them some hex. I don't even know hex. And what are these
Yeah.
things?
Okay. Guys, we got VIP. But I don't need a VIP.
Yeah.
I'm very
We're gonna give away that too.
No, we can't.
Oh yeah, we can.
Are you testing me?
No.
I need to get in.
No?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We're almost done.
Violet, 1, 2, 3.
We are going to
拍 video 过来干嘛呢？
we are going to have to make a second and third and fourth and fifth and sixth number video.
Oh, Royal
Ezreal.
2. Okay.
2 parts.
Never mind.
Okay.
Anyway, let's continue.
Here, guys. You guys want a second and third part? Please get at least 2,000 likes if you guys want a second part. And
wait.
we are going to get another chest again.
Yeah.
Today we'll be opening until 50.
And we'll even give away some.
Until we have 30 left. We might be giving away gift cards.
Yeah, but we can't because we don't have. We'll show you on the last video. Okay.
If you guys can't see, I'll move the screen forward a bit. Can you guys see? Oh, looks like too much. Guys, never mind. I'll do it. Oh guys, sorry. We are having a lot of technical issues.
Yeah.
Let's open another chest. Okay guys, we're just gonna keep on opening up.
Yeah.
And we got cyborg hands. Dude,
Cyborg.
we're gonna get so
The
many.
cyborg hands. Yeah, electric hands.
We will just
But I think they're sniper.
just look at what we get. Yeah. Please comment and subscribe for good stuff. We will be giving away most of our
Yeah.
upgrades.
Yep. Next we got
We got
muscle.
muscle.
We got
Nice.
muscle guy, a 3-piece guy.
I would love
Oh.
another upgrade so that I can give it away.
But we don't have it now.
Oh yeah, I like my lobby.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see how many likes I have on my lobby, I'll
this-
show you right after I open this chest.
Oh,
One
sorry,
more
this
chest.
one is called Iron Wolf. Then this one is called something.
Brave, yeah.
Yeah, this
Guys,
is like-
there's
Yeah.
some technical issues.
yeah.
Don't
Anyway,
worry, I'll
our
get.
pixel gun name is gun name
Don't
that
tell
right.
them.
Why?
Okay, guys. Somehow my name is Iron Wolf.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. What should I change my name to? Let's
Sorry.
change it to a pro name. Like this.
Hacker.
Oh, no, that's too lousy. We need a more pro name. Okay, there you go. And when you have your, and there you go.
What do we need dot name?
Guys, do you think my lobby is nice?
Yeah.
Because if you want to see,
Yeah, please
will
comment
show you.
below.
I will show you my lobby right now.
And please comment below if you want to subscribe and get
Okay, guys.
gift cards on the last video.
Look at our latest likes. 96.
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
Yep. And
Let's
we can't buy
place
this.
this winter. Okay, guys. Buildings, base. I placed the Pantheon. Military grade. Pretty much.
Royal
everything
Gate
is in-
Fence.
Okay, guys. If you guys don't know how to spend your gems, I suggest you should get something. Oh yeah, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna open up our clan chest. Okay. We'll open it up in 3, 2, 1. Daily chest.
Okay, what
We
do
got
we get? 1
coins.
coin, paintball rifle. Wait, okay. Sorry, guys.
Our
Yeah.
videos are going crazy these days.
Yeah.
Okay. We will open a couple more.
And please comment below.
we will open until 35.
Yep. Bye bye.
We have sniper shovel.
A sniper shovel.
Coins.
Wait, we need to do something before. Wait. No.
Another one. Kian is trying to do the life hack.
Oh, Royal sniper rifle. This is one
Okay,
life
if
hack.
we start from
Make it in the
start.
middle of something.
If we go into Spark Shop, this is the life hack.
Yeah.
It might work for some people, but
Yeah.
some they won't.
Yeah.
Usually it's coins.
Yeah.
If you guys
And
want
they're
coins-
always near that thing that
that's
we
true.
put.
So if you get
Starlet.
started,
And it's even from Star Wars.
we will put it on VIP.
Yeah.
And go.
And yeah, good luck.
Please, we are crossing our fingers for good. things.
Yeah. You
Woo!
see.
You see, we
You can
Got
see
it.
our fingers getting crossed.
Okay.
Oh yeah, sorry for the
Thank you,
tattoos.
Okay, now we are opening our chest top.
Later I'll show them my cane work. I think I can't see.
See guys, it's usually coins.
Yeah, and look, I got a cane wet.
Oh yeah, if you guys want
Never
me,
mind. You guys can't see it.
okay fine, I'll open until 30. We have about 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
Okay, we got VIP. Wow,
Woo!
1 hour.
Oh yeah, to clap very loud, do like this. Oh yeah, again, sorry for the tattoos.
One last one. Wait, 2 more. Okay, guys, that's all.
No wait, before we
And you
go.
can see my
Oh yeah,
picture.
before we go, can we check? We'll show you our tournament. It's this one.
Basically, I am still very new. If you guys want to see my armory,
Yeah.
my here
And
it
we
is.
even got a
This is the lousiest inventory I have.
Yeah, this is the sniper.
For
But
this is my noobest inventory. Stop touching my thing, okay? I'm gonna equip a devastator. Sorry guys. There are some technical issues. So I'll be equipping the dual hops. Combat yo-yo. Vacuumizer. One shot. For heavy, I shall be using Eye of Ra. So
Yeah,
here is my
we have
inventory
it,
right
but
now.
it's very. We need is a charged weapon also. You
If
see,
you guys want to see it, shoot,
and
give
shoot.
us likes.
Yeah,
Look at this.
yeah.
Pew.
And look,
see.
now we are gonna shoot you guys. Wait, a little more, and shoot. Bzz. Okay,
You guys
sorry for that.
wanna actually-
But are you guys okay?
Okay, guys,
Um,
this is the last thing we wanna do before we end this video.
Yeah.
We're closing up 2 minutes.
Eh, 2 minutes. Your 2 minutes is just now until now 20 minutes already. What's the big idea then?
Wait, yeah, still got.
Okay, we are almost done. Just shoot.
Tomorrow not even think of
Okay,
touching the
yeah.
iPad, okay? Telling you in advance now.
Okay, guys. Wow, 11:30 了。Okay. There we go. Okay, we'll open one more to end up.
Yeah.
So, hope you like this video. If
Yeah.
you did,
And
smash
give us
that
a
like
give
button.
us a thumbs up.
And give us a thumbs up. Okay. Look at it, Spark Shark. We'll be giving away the Spark Shark soon. Okay. Bye.
No, I need to.